In this video, we will explain the process of RCM bill entry. To begin, navigate to the expense invoice add page. To start with that form, first need to click on the general accounting. Under that we have expense. Once you click on the add button, so to create the expense invoice, first we need to click on the add GST expense invoice button. In this form we need to add all the details: vendor name, billing branch, branch form. Once you fill all the detail, then we have other option to select the RCM as well. While creating the expense invoice, it is mandatory to select the RCM in the invoice related field. Let's suppose we have this invoice related to field. In this we have to select the RCM, and first is very important to select the vendor name. Once you select the vendor name, billing branch, all these details, and secondly you need to select the invoice related to, that is RCM. Once the expense forms open, the user must enter all the required invoice and vendor details. While filling in the service details section, as you can see below, we have the details section. So here, once you click on the details, the user must select an appropriate HSN code, that is GST applicable. Please note that HSN codes with nil GST cannot be selected. For RCM entries, it is mandatory to be selected the HSN code with the GST. For the under the reverse charge mechanism, GST is not paid to the vendor, but it is accounted for separately by the organization. When the RCM expense invoice is posted, once the invoice amount is reflected in the vendor ledger, while the GST component is automatically tagged and posted to the RCM GST ledger. Once you fill all the information, expense ledger and amount, and then you need to add, and automatically you can see details below. So amount will be tagged with the vendor ledger, and then GST will be tagged with the RCM ledger. This accounting treatment ensure correct tax liability tracking and compliance under RCM. So this is the correct and recommend way to perform the RCM bill entry in the system. To fill the complete details, you need to click on the save button. Your entry will be posted. This is the complete process, and is important, it's mandatory that invoice date and number will be filled correctly. Thank you.